have when you have a friend over and you have an overprotective cat?
Scares you.
It's okay. She's just gonna probably lick you and stuff like that and claw you and destroy you.
I don't want that. Oh,
I don't think they want to see her. George, people don't want to see your butt. No.
But he actually just licked me.
She seriously does this all the time when I have some new over. Georgia. Stop Okay then. Stop clawing the blanket. You're gonna get me in trouble for destroying the blanket. It's so funny to watch though.
It's just like,
George!
I don't think that's gonna work.
Not Georgie puppy.
Yeah, cats don't like their paws being touched.
I touch her paws all the time. She won't claw me. She doesn't dare claw me. She knows what will happen.
What do you do?
She hates water, and I have water in my room all the time. But usually, I don't use it. Stop it with the claws! Stop it with the claws! Stop it with the claws!